Welcome to Gaming Life. My name is Richard. You can call me Richie. This is a channel. If you stumble upon this video, it's because you want to see the chair, the Hyken chair by Staples. This is an unboxing video of the chair. I will have an assembly video in the description. Find the link in the description. As well, I will be doing a review of the chair later on. I just want to give it a little bit of time to try out the chair to see how it goes and everything. Once I do figure out what I like about the chair, what I don't like about the chair, I will be making a review on it. So thank you and enjoy the video. Hey guys, help us out by interacting with the channel. Simply comment, obviously, in the comment section. You could also click on the thumbs up, thumbs down. Don't forget to subscribe. That little bell, just click on it. It's gonna help us get more views and we can make more content for you guys. Thanks, I'll catch you at the end. Hey gang, unfortunately this is the end of the video. Don't worry, we're gonna make more. Like I said, we have an assembly video coming up. Look at the description. The link will be found in there. As well, probably in the description, we're gonna have some B-rolls, some nice footage and whatnot. So have a look. Thanks gang, I'll catch you guys later. Much love, man. Love you guys. Peace out.